Good day to all of you. Welcome to Easy Physics. Learn physics as easy as 1, 2, 3. Through this video, we will be discussing about pressure exerted by solids. What are the factors affecting solid pressure? How can you find out pressure by using a formula and practical applications of pressure? In order to understand the term pressure, let's go to a family of a father and his two kids. What are they going to do there? Yes, they are setting up a fun swing. The father is all set and the kids are waiting to swing, right? The kid is enjoying the swing like anything. But let's look at the expression of the father. I think the kid in him is coming out and he is also going to give a try this time. But how funny! Oops, the branch has broken and he fell down. What might be the reason for the branch to break and make him fall? Yes, the small branch is not able to withstand the high pressure exerted by him. Yes, here comes a new word, pressure. Before exploring what is pressure, let's have a logical reasoning for this incident. What went wrong? When the father was using the swing, he is much heavier as compared to the child. The child is lighter, but the force exerted by the father on the swing will be more, right? But he is going to give another try now. He is choosing a thicker branch this time, and let's see whether he is going to succeed or not. Yes, now he's enjoying his swing without the branch getting broken. So what is the difference in these two events? In the first case, he was using a smaller, a narrower branch, which is having less area. But in the second case, he has chosen a thicker branch, which is having more area. So what is pressure? Pressure is nothing but force acting on an object per unit area. The equation is F by A. Since area is coming in the denominator, the smaller the area, greater will be the pressure, and greater the area, lesser will be the pressure. So which means pressure depends on two factors. One is it depends on the force, and the second one, it depends on the area. See, when the boy was swinging, since his force is less, he was not giving more pressure to the branch. But when the father was swinging, since his weight is more, he was giving more pressure on the branch. Whereas when the father was choosing a thicker branch, even though he is having more force, because of greater area, pressure is reduced. So we came to know that there are two factors on which pressure depends. One is it directly depends on force, and second one, it is inversely dependent on area. Let's study little more about pressure. Pressure can be measured in a unit, Newton per meter square, because force is measured in Newton and area is measured in meter square. There is one another unit for pressure. It is Pascal. It is given after the name of a scientist who is a famous mathematician and physicist. His name is Blaise Pascal. There are so many practical situations which can be explained on the basis of pressure. Let us see, it is a side bag, shoulder bag, right? While choosing a shoulder bag, it is always advisable to choose the one which is having wider straps. The reason is when the straps are wide, area is more. As a result, pressure exerted by the bag on your shoulder will be less. And this is a nail. Look at the shape of the nail. It will be having a sharp tip. Why it is having a sharp tip? Because when you are applying force on the nail, it will be exerting high pressure to the wall. Because a narrow tip means its area is very, very less. When area is small, pressure will be more. So the nail will be able to apply more pressure, and hammering in a nail will be easier. See, pressure is used to reduce the size of solid objects also. This technique is used by courier service companies. They reduce the size of the solid objects by using pressure so that more of the luggages can be packed. Same technique will be used while burying solid waste materials. By using a bulldozer, high pressure will be exerted on the waste so that the waste will be occupying lesser area. Hope you all understood what is pressure, what are the effects of pressure, what's the mathematical formula, unit, and practical applications. You just have to keep small informations into your memory stack. One is the definition of pressure. It is nothing but force per unit area. From the definition itself, you will be able to formulate, right? What is the formula? It's force by area. It is F by A. From the formula, you can make unit. It is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Practical applications, there are n number of practical applications, like wider bag straps are used in order to reduce pressure, whereas sharp knives are used to cut vegetables, because sharper the area, more will be the pressure. So that makes it easier for us to cut the vegetables by using sharp knives. Hope today's session is very helpful to all of you. Keep watching and subscribe my channel for getting updated with more of the contents. Thank you.